Yes, this is a little pond outside of Siem Reap, one of the big cities of Cambodia, in the rice fields, around 50 kilometers from the city, where the people today put up the light traps to fish edible insects in the night. The insects appear to the special ultraviolet neon bulbs. They crash into the plastic net and fall into the little pond where they can be fished out like little fishes from the sea. A huge amount of insects arrive here at the light traps, especially crickets, field crickets in big masses. I always thought they are from cultivation products, but they are not. They are caught in the wild, together with other, like this conehead, grasshoppers, katydids, a lot of species. Also we have stink bugs, like this fire stink bugs, and other species. And as soon as they fall into the little pond, they cannot move anymore, and here in the morning, 5 o'clock, they are fished out and separated. A family is operating a set of around 10 of these light traps, and in the morning 5 o'clock they come and control the light traps to see how many insects arrived here. So normally from these 10 light traps they can harvest around 3 to 6 kilograms of fresh edible insects. That's a big amount, and it's a good income for the family. Edible insects are around hello. Twice the price of chicken, so around $3 to $5 a kilogram. So that's a good part of the income of this family. And also the price for the electricity for these light traps can be paid very well with fishing from the night sky. So here you see the lady sieving out the insects from the surface of these little ponds. The water is green here because of the algae that grow very well during the day, so the water has to be replaced every 3 to 4 days. Okay. Most of the insects, they are still living. They are living till they are on the market, and that's not a bad situation, because as you know, these hot temperatures here, also in the night it's around 25 to 30 degrees. All these proteins from animals, they are broken down very fast and are getting dangerous if you don't consume them fast. The freezers, they don't know. Here it's a poor country. They cannot afford freezing the stuff. They have to work fast and consume the fresh products very fast. But look, this is a beautiful way of pest management. They don't need no insecticides. They just catch them in the fields and they eat them. And also because they are poor, they have no money to buy insecticides or fertilizers, chemical stuff. So there's also no danger that people get poisoned by eating the insects that they catch from their fields. This is quite a new technique with the light traps. You know them around for 10 years now in Cambodia. In this time, nobody realized that there were fewer and fewer insects at the light trap. It seems that the insects can reproduce very well in the rice fields, and there is a steady supply of this much appreciated food item in Cambodia in the rice fields at the light traps. Not only in Cambodia themselves, these insects are eaten, a lot are exported to Thailand, where there is not so much a production of these edible insects. There are big markets at the border between Thailand and Cambodia where edible insects are traded. Also some of the field crickets that arrive here, they are traded to Thailand and other neighboring countries. It's a very simple and effective technique. It's a real low-tech technique, except for the light bulbs, of course, that are modern and that emit special light frequencies that attract the animals. Later in the morning, they are separated. Some of the species that are not edible are sorted out, but also the very precious ones are sorted out. They are sold separately for another price, especially the bigger mole crickets here, but also other species are sorted out separately, cleaned carefully, and then they are already prepared for the market. Here mole crickets again, the bigger ones. So that's a job for about 2 to 3 hours in the morning for the whole family, and the light trap starts in the night at around 9 o'clock again. That's the market, Psa Le. You see here everything is very fresh, and the same day they are caught, they are sold to customers here. Of course, not only from the field, but also ants and bee larvas, and a lot of these crickets from the light traps outside of Siem Reap.